Hidden among the rugged islands of Indonesia lies a creature that feels like a living relic from a time when giants roamed the earth. With a tongue that flicks like a serpent, venom that slowly paralyzes, and a body built to hunt the largest prey, the Komodo dragon is nature's masterpiece of predatory design. But there's more to this ancient predator than meets the eye. Today, we uncover its secrets, its origins, behaviors, mating rituals, and astonishing abilities that science is only beginning to understand. Komodo dragons, Varanus komodoensis, belong to the monitor lizard family, Varanidae. Their lineage dates back over 40 million years, with ancestors that roamed Asia alongside early mammals. Comparison with dinosaurs. While not dinosaurs, Komodo dragons are part of the same reptilian lineage that dominated the Mesozoic era. Their physiology, massive jaw strength, sharp teeth, and ambush hunting strategies echo traits of predatory dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus rex. Fossil evidence suggests that giant monitor lizards once roamed Australia and Southeast Asia, some reaching lengths of 7 meters, dwarfing today's Komodo dragons. Visual suggestion. Animation showing the evolutionary tree from ancient reptiles to modern Komodo dragons, highlighting similarities to dinosaurs. Adult Komodo dragons can grow up to 3 meters long and weigh over 70 kilograms, making them the largest lizards alive today. Forked tongue functions like a snake's, detecting chemical cues in the air to track prey over kilometers. Venom glands. Discovered recently, their saliva contains toxins that lower blood pressure, prevent clotting, and induce shock in their prey. Extraordinary senses. They can detect decaying flesh from 9 kilometers away, a survival adaptation in harsh island ecosystems. Unique locomotion. Despite being reptiles, they can sprint at 20 kilometers per hour in short bursts and are excellent swimmers, traversing between islands. Fun fact, juveniles are tree dwellers to avoid predation, showcasing remarkable adaptability in habitat use. Endemic to 5 Indonesian islands, Komodo, Rinca, Flores, Gili Motong, and Padar. Preferred dry, open grasslands, savannas, and tropical forests. Use caves or burrows for shelter and thermoregulation, maintaining body temperature efficiently in a tropical climate. Rarely venture into human settlements, but incidents have been documented, often during the dry season when prey is scarce. Komodo dragons are apex predators, feeding on deer, pigs, and water buffalo. Hunting strategy: they use stealth, ambush tactics, and venomous bites rather than prolonged chases. Cannibalism is common. Adults sometimes prey on juveniles, a brutal yet ecologically important behavior to reduce competition. Extraordinary observation: they exhibit problem-solving skills, memory of food sources, and even, quote, play in captivity, a rare sign of cognitive complexity among reptiles. Parthenogenesis. Some female Komodo dragons can reproduce without males, producing genetically identical offspring. Immunity to their own venom. They are resistant to the bacteria and venom in their bites, a feature still under study. Longevity. Live up to 30 years in the wild, longer in captivity. Survival adaptations. can slow metabolism during food scarcity, allowing them to survive weeks without meals. Impact on ecosystem. As apex predators, they maintain balance by controlling herbivore populations, indirectly shaping island vegetation.
Classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Conservation efforts include protected areas, anti-poaching patrols, and ecotourism that supports local communities. Scientists are fascinated by their resilience and behavior, which offers insights into evolutionary biology and the survival strategies of apex predators.
From a lineage that outlasted massive climatic shifts in rival species, the Komodo dragon stands as a living testament to nature's ingenuity. Its stealth, power, and peculiar behaviors remind us that the line between past and present is sometimes thinner than we imagine. To witness a Komodo dragon in its wild home is to see a creature both familiar and alien, a living echo of the age of giants. Among the countless encounters with Komodo dragons, one story stands out as both chilling and astonishing, a story that proves just how remarkable these creatures truly are. In 2001, a team of researchers was conducting a study on Komodo dragons on Komodo Island. They discovered a giant female dragon nicknamed Rinka Queen. Real historical reports exist of large dragons over 3 meters long. What made her extraordinary wasn't just her size, but her ability to hunt in a way previously undocumented by scientists. Researchers observed that she had learned to ambush water buffalo near the river crossing, striking with incredible precision. Unlike most dragons, which rely on a single bite and patience, this dragon would stalk multiple prey simultaneously, waiting for the exact moment when the herd was most vulnerable. She became so efficient that the locals began to notice sudden decrease in livestock in her territory, yet she never ventured into villages. Even more astonishing, scientists later discovered that she was a parthenogenic mother, meaning she had reproduced without any male dragon nearby. Her offspring carried her genetic line forward in complete isolation, a phenomenon that rarely occurs in wild reptiles of this size. This story captivated the scientific community because it challenged assumptions about Komodo dragon intelligence and adaptability. Here was a lizard, often thought to be simple, exhibiting problem-solving, strategic hunting, and independent reproduction, a combination of traits usually associated with much larger mammalian predators.